Let's close the tabs here in the front. We keep opening new tabs. I don't want us to get confused. The last page in this series for WooCommerce is the account page, which currently doesn't appear anywhere, but we go back into WordPress for that. Top left corner, go to WordPress, go to our pages, and here's the My Account. Select that. I think let's view it, and you can see this one uses a short code for WooCommerce My Account, and we can click here on View Page. By now, you know the routine. You don't really need to mess with this. Few people actually mess with this because, look, my colors are on brand, yet we are going to change it. And how we change it is we go to Breakdowns and select Open My Account. We can close this tab as well and just select Edit in Breakdowns from here. Same like before, bring in a section, add. We go all the way to the bottom for WooCommerce, and we look for the account page. Over here, account page, drop it. And in fact, it's exactly the way we just saw it. Nothing has changed, and that's kind of the idea. But you have options here for the tabs. It's set to vertical by default. You can put those tabs on the right if you like that better. You can change the space between them, maybe a good idea, add a little bit of that. You have sticky tabs. That is if you have a lot of content here. Also, you can put it horizontal at the top. Many people like to do that. I do like the vertical option, so I'll put it back. Let's just go ahead with the default for tabs. And the rest of this, all about styling, colors, and padding. And that is the account page, the most underwhelming chapter of this entire course.